Can you change the date on an Instagram post? The short answer is no, you can't. Once you post something on Instagram, the platform automatically adds a timestamp, and there's no way to edit or change that date afterward. There are a couple of simple workarounds. One option is to delete the post and re-upload it, but just know that if you do this, you'll lose all the original likes, comments, and engagement. It'll be like starting from scratch. A better and safer option is to just use your caption to give people context. You can say something like "Throwback to 2022" or "This was from last summer." That way, people know when it happened without you needing to mess with anything behind the scenes. As for third-party apps or websites that claim they can change post dates, it's best to stay away from them. Most of them don't actually work, and using them could put your account at risk or even violate Instagram's terms of service. You can't change the actual date, but adding a clear caption is the best and safest way to give your post the right context.